Standard 11th Business Mathematics Exercise 1.2 9th question. If A is equal to your 2 by 2 matrices is given and B is equal to 1 more 2 by 2 matrices is given, then verify that AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Same like question, you will have it in your example 1.18. Just refer that and see. So first what you will have to do is, to prove your left hand side, AB the whole inverse you will have to find it. So to that you will find AB first. So AB is equal to, first write your A 3725 and your B 6879. So just multiply, normal multiplication, first row first column. So 3 6 are 18 plus 7 7s are 49. Then first row second column, 3 8s are 24 plus 7 9s are 63. Then second row first column, 2 6 are 12 plus 5 7s are 35. Then second row second column, 2 8s are 16 plus 5 9s are 45. So the answer will be 18 plus 49 is equal to 67. 24 63 is 87. 12 plus 35 is 47. Then 16 plus 45 is 61. Now you will have to find your AB whole inverse. For that you will write your A inverse formula. So AB the whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. So you will have to find your determinant of AB. So to find the determinant of AB, we have got AB here, just multiply, just find your determinant. So you will get it as 67 into 61, that is 67 into 61 minus 47 into 87. So 47 into 87. That will be your determinant of AB. That is equal to 4087. If you multiply, you will get it, minus 4089, you will get it. Now go for your subtraction, you will get it. 89 is here, 87. 40 is same, so 89 minus 87 is minus 2, you will get it. So which is not equal to 0. So AB inverse exists, you can write it. So once you finish up your AB, determinant of AB is done. So you'll have to find your adjoint of AB. So for 2 by 2 matrices, I have taught you before itself one easy method, that is to find your adjoint of AB. So see in your AB, just interchange this. 67 and 61 has to be interchanged. So 61 will come here, 67 will go there, and for this diagonal matrix just only change the symbol. So minus 87 will be here, and here it is minus 47. So this will be your adjoint of AB. Only for 2 by 2 matrices you can use this method. Okay, so now we have found determinant of AB is over and adjoint of AB is over. So first we will find it of AB the whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB is nothing but your minus 2, then open your bracket, then adjoint of AB is this answer. So 61 minus 87 minus 47, 67. So this is your left hand side answer. You just mark it as 1. Now going to your right hand side, you will have to find B inverse, A inverse. So first we will find B inverse. So B inverse formula is nothing but 1 by determinant of B into adjoint of B. So first find your determinant of B. Determinant of B is nothing but your B determinant 6, 8, 7, 9. So it is 6 9s are 54 minus 7 8s are 56. So the answer will be minus 2. Now adjoint of B you will have to find. Adjoint of B is same thing, same method you can use it for B. Okay. So interchange these two numbers, that is 6 and 9 has to be interchanged. So 9 will come here, 6 will go here, and this is only the symbol has to be changed. So minus 8 and minus 7. So this is your adjoint of B. Now B inverse we'll just substitute it here in this formula. So we'll get B inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of B, 1 by minus 2 into your answer adjoint of B, 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6. So next step is A inverse, you'll have to find it. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So first we'll find determinant of A. Determinant of A is nothing but this one, 3, 7, 2, 5. So multiply these two numbers, 3 5s are 15 minus 2 7s are 14. So you'll get 1. So which is not equal to 0. So therefore you can write A inverse exists. Now adjoint of A, you will have to find it. Adjoint of A is nothing but the same format, you can use it. So this 3 and 5 has to be interchanged. 5 will go there and 3 will come here. 7 and 2 has to be changed, your symbol only has to be changed. So minus 7 and minus 2. So now your adjoint of A is ready. Just substitute in this format, that is in your formula A inverse. So I'll get it as A inverse is equal to 1 by 1 only. Determinant of A is 1 into adjoint of A is 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. Now you have got B inverse as well as A inverse is done. So you'll have to go for a multiplication. So B inverse into A inverse is equal to, B inverse is this answer. So it is minus 1 by 2 into 9 minus 8 minus 7, 6. Then A inverse is 1 by 1 only. So you can leave it. So 5 minus 7 minus 2, 3. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. So first row, first column. So 9 5s are 45 plus 8 2s are 16. Then first row, second column, 9 7s are 63 with minus 8 3s are 24. Then minus 7, that is second row, first column, minus 7 into 5 is minus 35, minus 6 2s are 12. Then second row, second column, minus 7 plus 49 plus 18, 6 3s are 18. So that is equal to minus 1 by 2. 45 plus 16 is 61. Minus 63 minus 24 is minus 87. Minus 35 minus 12 is minus 47. 49 plus 18 is 67. So this I'll just declare it as 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 is here and 2 is here. So we have got both the answers same. Just check it over there. This minus, I have written it on top here. Okay, same, it is same only. So from 1 and 2 you can write. From 1 and 2. So AB the whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. That is the answer. They have asked you to prove it. So this is the answer for your 9th question.